Four tones are already hard enough. So why do people keep saying Mandarin has a fifth tone? The good news is this. It's not something extra to learn, to memorize. It's actually something that makes Chinese easier, that you can speak more naturally. So what is it? What some people might call the fifth tone is really the neutral tone, qīngshēng. It's not a full tone, it's short, it's light, and it's unstressed. It doesn't have its own big shape, it follows the tone before it. It's not by itself. That's all you need to know to start listening for it and to start using it. If you've gone through lessons 1 to 10, you would have heard me say it. You probably know what it is. You probably heard it. Now it's time to make it more evident. Listen first and then let's use it. Family words. That's where it's most commonly used. Māma. The first ma is clear. The second ma is light. So it becomes māma. Baba. Clear on the first ba and then short and low on the second ba. So baba. Māma. This is already what you've heard, and it makes Chinese sound less robotic. Didi, 哥哥. Very common helper words. I call this the article words in my core lessons. I mentioned it before. The light ma, question word ma. 你好吗?你好吗?你喝咖啡吗?你喝咖啡吗? That ma at the end is never strong, it's just a soft finish. Another question article that we have done is 呢,你呢?我喝咖啡,你呢? I drink coffee. What about you? 你呢?你呢? And the third one, article word is 的,我的书,我的书包,我的家. Clear word, light, 的. Clear word again. Think clear, light, short, and fast. The other article that we have learned earlier on is 个. 你要这个吗?这个. So it pulls back. 这个,那个. 你要这个吗?还是那个?这个,那个,哪一个? Important lesson is ears first, then mouth. Now I want you to listen carefully to hear it and feel it. It is to be natural, not forced. The neutral tone leans on the tone before. So we revise and practice the pairs again. Listen and repeat. Mama, Baba, 姐姐, 爷爷. Can you feel the rhythm? Mama, Baba, 姐姐, 爷爷. Next, you have repeated verbs like 看看,看看你,试试,试试,听听,听听,听听. You absorb it by listening and copying. So when words or characters repeat themselves, it's usually there. If you make everything sound strong, Chinese would sound stiff, and something sounds not natural. Revise one or two of the earlier lessons and focus on this feature of the language and practice showing with additional rhythm in your own Chinese speaking. Pick just three patterns today. Mama, 你好吗?你的书,我的书. Say them slowly initially and then quicken up. So once you let some syllables be light, your tones stop fighting each other and your Chinese starts to sound like speech, not a list. In the comments, tell me which one still feels strange to you. Mama, 朋友, 谢谢.